You will need to remove a screw from this door handle cover, another one from this door pocket, a C-clip from this window crank lever, a small screw here, and another one at the side of the door panel. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Pull the lever and take off the handle cover. Remove the screw and pull the door pocket. Next is the C-clip on this window crank lever. Sometimes this can be a bit tricky to remove. You can use a small tweezers or this small flathead screwdriver. You just have to unhook or pull the pin to separate the window crank lever from the window regulator. This C-clip is inserted in between. Next, gently pry off this plastic clip. Then loosen and remove the screw. There is a small screw here, but unfortunately, it is missing. If you had a screw here, just loosen and remove it. Then, simply pull the door panel. It will just pop out. This is how the back of the door panel looks like. Same procedure at the back. Remove the screw on this handle cover, a screw on the door pocket, a C-clip on this window crank lever, and a screw from this side. And that's how you remove a door panel with a manual window. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.